nakatira sa isa sa mga suppressed subdivisions sa tahanan. Sina Kagawad Carlo Bernabe, Henry Bernabe, Larry Bonsol, anak ni Konsehal Bert Bonsol. Si Rico, Konsehal Rico Goles, son of BF and of this barangay. Dapat nandito, kaya lang, katulad ng binanggit kanina, they are having their last session before the end of their term. So medyo overtime daw, I don't know kung makakahabol sila. Pero siguro tinututukan ni Mayor, baka maraming mga ordinansa, mga resolusyon na kailangang tapusin. Kaya doon muna sila. But hopefully makarating sila rito para makapag-share din sila if there will be time for that. I would like to congratulate the new leadership. Pero katulad yun, namimiss ko si Steve Serio. I was there in his wake, when was that? Last year yata. Last year to. Nakakalungkot sapagkat biglang-bigla. Steve and I go back a long way. Mga 1970s pa, magkaibigan na kami. At talagang namimiss ko yung kakulitan niya. Napakakulit ni Steve. And I think, Ernie, dapat the secret of success is kailangan makulit ka. Katulad ni Jean, makulit. Mukhang, the way she talks, mukhang makulit eh. That is the secret, kailangan makulit. Ako po ang inyong congressman dito at kapitbahay ninyo. Tinitingnan ko kayo madalas. Sa iba sa inyo, nakikita ko sa McDo. Minsan nagkakasabay tayo sa Sinangag Express. O kaya pag bumibili ako ng gamot dito sa Mercury, dito sa may Bukana, sa simbahan, of course, madalas. Minsan, pag namamalengke ako, kasi minsan ako bumibili ng isda mismo doon sa BF. I think I see some of you there also sa wet market. Tapos sa tropical hut. Andiyan din ako. Kung nagre-relax talaga ako, gusto ko yung relax na medyo hindi masyadong magulo sa Starbucks. Nagko-computer ako doon. And a lot of other places here in this barangay. Na nakita natin, for those who are old-timers here, I think we all saw the transformation from those days na minsan may lubak pa rito doon eh. May malalim na butas dito doon. Pwede pumasok yung kalabaw doon sa loob. Naalala nyo? This was in the late 70s and early 80s. Tapos maraming barbecuehan dito noon. Alam ni Jun yan, no? Dito, barbecuehan. Usong-uso yung barbecuehan noong una. Ang dami, nag-proliferate yung mga barbecue dito noon. Tapos Roland and everything. But now, it is so different. Napakaiba na. Kaya ang daming challenges. And it's very good that you have this organization interacting with the local government. Primarily, kasi siyempre, yan ang relationship eh. The association, the barangay, and then the local government, the city government. And paminsan-minsan, you also interact with the congressman because of certain matters. Like for example, katulad ninyo, yung bagong enacted na Magna Carta for homeowners. That is very important because it redefines the relationship between the homeowners associations and the barangay and the local government, businesses, etc., etc. And I think ito, medyo hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin kabisado dahil medyo makapalit yung batas na ito. But I would like to ask your President, si Ernie, maybe with the assistance of Bishop Ernie Agatep, na pag-aralan nyo ng gusto ito, pag-aralan nyo ng gusto, para makita nyo kung saan ba ang poder nyo, saan kayo walang poder. It is very important. As I said, this is something new. But it is incumbent upon the new leadership, and I know that this is an association of presidents. So I'm speaking not to members, ordinary members, but of presidents, namely President Ed Cabral of Camellia Homes, President Riza Reyes of Ironville 1, President Bernadette Javier of Ironville 3, President Alejandro Collantes Jr. of Jaquiloville. Meron tayong pakulo bukas. President Bernardo Fabian of RGB. President Lito Campillo of Tahanan Village. Wala ito si Lito rito. I know the Campillo family. Yan ang mga urig dito, no? President Isidro Chapco of Teoville 3. And President Teddy Amper of Teoville 1 and 2. And speaking of Teoville, as far as I know, itong President Avenue that a lot of people identify with BF is actually a right-of-way owned by Teoville, no? Kung hindi sa inyo, wala kami lalabasan. Lahat kami lalabas sa Lopez. Wala kami dadaanan dito. Salamat sa Teoville. Except that yung pinadaan nyo na subdivision, nag-iubod ng laki. It became the dominant subdivision in this area. Kaya nagkaroon din ng subpress. Ako naman, ang congressman ninyo, tumutulong po sa mga maraming bagay dito na kung pwede ako makatulong. For example, yung sukat. Sukat, I've allocated annually a certain amount of fund para pakinisin ng gusto. Yung sukat, makikita nyo, makinis na makinis yan. Tapos, pinalapad natin recently para magkaroon ng lugar yung mga public utility vehicles na makapag-park when they are offloading and loading passengers para hindi na-obstruct yung main lanes of sukat. And this really complements the program of Mayor Bernabe to beautify sukat. Kasi nakikita natin noong una, naalala nyo, babanggitin niya, pero unahan ko na siya, yung nakakaawa ang sukat ng una, pagpasok mo from the interchange, hindi maganda, bumubulaga sa atin, but in so short a time, Mayor Bernabe was able to transform this. So I think we have to thank Mayor Bernabe for this. Bukod dyan, si Congressman Goles din, meron din mga ilang project. Meron tayong covered court project that we have called Goliseum projects. Unti-unting nanganganak yan. Along Sukat and here, meron tayo sa Aratilis, tapos sa Goodwill, and then katatapos lamang sa Jacolobille. Across the street, meron sa Garcia Heights, meron sa Sicom, meron landscape doon sa Barangay San Antonio, tapos Jacolobille, tapos doon sa Sampaloc, meron namang dalawa doon, Sampaloc, and then if you enter alongside the Manila Memorial, yung tinatawag na De La Rama area, merong tatlo doon. Target, you have clinic and IPIL, and inside, malapit sa simbahan, is yung classic. So yun po ang program natin para magkaroon tayo ng social